One of these things is not like the other. I bought Nash a Coleman GK200 go-kart last August for his birthday. It's May now. And in that time, he's blown through 3 rims. Look at that. That's what the rim was. And it just disintegrated it. So we're upgrading him. I watched a video by T-Rav _Rex. I'll put a link in the description. And he gave me the parts list and had a really nice video on how to do it. So we got a bigger rim, a bigger tire. And mostly what we did is, this was a 3-bolt. And I couldn't find any decent rims that were 3 bolts. So that's why we upgraded to a 4-lug spindle here. And because they're bigger rims and tires, got a 1-inch spacer. And so we put those all together. And we got I think a nicer setup. Now if he blows through this rim, I'm just gonna give up. But I'm thinking it'll work a lot better. We will see, time will tell. The problem is he likes to get going full speed, slam the brakes, and slide completely around. But that's what he's gonna do. He's a boy. So there you go. From that to that. Yeah, I think it'll be better. All right, have a good day.